Welcome to day 2. Now I'm going to the Hoover Dam, and after that I'm going to drive 400 miles to the Grand Canyon. So here's Las Vegas. Say goodbye to Las Vegas. Good old Las Vegas. We saw Chris Angel last night. That was pretty cool. That was really cool. I couldn't film them. Here's Lake Mead. Look at that. Pretty low over the years. The brown is where the water used to be, and where the white is where it's receded in the last years. So, like at the Hoover Dam, I'll show you that. You'll see lots of white, because that means the water is down. I think 110 feet now. That's a pretty nice valley view. It's pretty windy, if you know what I mean by windy. Oh, there's a suspension bridge. Look how freaking high that is. Holy crap, is that high? Oh, the valley is beautiful though. We can walk up there later if you want. What do you think, everybody? This is so much bigger in real life. It really is. Oh, there it is. Damn. That's so cool. Oh, that's epic. I have arrived at the Hoover Dam at the visitor center. Oh, that's the stairs we almost did. Alright, did. Keep off wall. There's the dam. There's like a little lizard there. It's gonna be a hot day, so take the stairs. Best quote of the day. Ah, I just burned myself. Ow. Here is the visitor center. And wait until you see this view. It's still very nauseous. Like, I'm afraid of heights, so this isn't gonna be fun, but I will. Hold on, you should see me. I'm like pulling on the railing. On the observation deck of Hoover Dam.
Chipping away at the rock.
Oh, this is a bridge.
Lift the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below.
Alright guys, look at this view. Look at that. Oh god, it's so nauseous.
This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of
I feel like I'm
concrete.
gonna drop the camera. Fun fact, that's the original bridge that used to like carry workers up and down the dam. So it's the only original one left. It's the oldest working crane, and I think in the US. Basically, we have a tour. It starts at 12:30. It's 11:55. We gotta be there at 12:15. So that'll take us to 1, and then we gotta hop over 4 hours. So it'll be 6 o'clock when we arrive at the hotel. And then we're gonna hop on a bus, and then get to the lookouts so I can do the time lapse with this camera. That'll be great. Let's do it.
There are 4 tunnels, 2 on the Arizona side and 2 on the Nevada side. They are 50 feet in diameter and around 4,000 feet long. It took about 2 years to blast them out of the solid rock. Now, these tunnels were created so that the Colorado River could be diverted around the dam site. Now, if you look at this
Very hot.
Where is?
Just the middle.
Oh, thank you. Look at the dam, guys. I gotta go, but there's the dam. I'm trying to see. There we go. There's the dam. It's a good view. There's Lake Mead. Let's go to the next spot. So I'm dying here. It's probably 95 to 100 degrees. There's the dam over there. I'm walking to the gift store here because I'm really running behind about an hour and a half, so that's a problem. I lose an hour in the time zone change, so let me just shut off the camera and go to the gift store and get out of here. See you later. High profile view. You guys, unfortunately, we can't get a view of the dam without walking over this bridge, which is pathetic, because I will never walk over a bridge this tall. I never knew about you guys, so you can walk across it. Look how pretty that is. It's beautiful. I mean, my camera doesn't really capture it justice, but it's very pretty. In Arizona, you don't get that a lot. Guys, this is sad. This is pretty funny. He'd rather wait because they're not used to driving in rain, and here's us going. Like, here's me going perfectly fine because it was Chicago. I mean, it rained in Chicago. And that's what happens when you live in Chicago, is your windows fog up, which is terrible. Look how slow this guy's going. It's in a 75-mile-an-hour speed zone. It's raining pretty good out here. Maybe we should pull over. Turn your head down. Guys, look at that. It's like a tornado. We are almost to the Grand Canyon. We have like 6 miles left. And after that I will go, it's been 3.5 hours. We left like 3 hours late. So it's gonna be a problem. And yeah, I was covering the mic this whole time. The Yavapai Lodge. That is a tiny little lodge, that's okay. Alright guys, so I'm here at the Yavapai Lodge and here's the bathroom. It's actually very cute, I like it. There's a shower. Oop. I don't know what happened. Here's all my stuff. I got a lot of stuff. So here's the bed. Here's my like 3 luggages, my cameras, and then the view. So yep, I'm gonna head out. Let's do it. Oh my God, look at that. That's awesome. Yeah.
Sunset's at 7. Look on the right-hand side. Right now, there's the village right behind us. There it is.
Oh yeah. Wow, that's beautiful.
When you're brought back after sunset tonight, guys, look for that. You might see.
Alright guys, I'm at the Grand Canyon. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. You can see the river. See all the things for sunset. So cool.
Oh my.
Okay, so I just saw the sunset. Now I'm shopping because I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna get some drinks. But I'm guessing this is a gift store, so it's called a general store. So they have all sorts of items on display to buy. Grand Canyon National Park, that's cute. So I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I did get a cool time lapse, and then after that I'm gonna go to night. So probably good night. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse I did inside the grocery store. Thought I might throw that in. I don't know if you can see me. But I think I'm gonna head back to the hotel, drinks in hand. Good night, everybody. See you on day 3.